In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs in Google Docs. If you want to organize your document more clearly and separate different sections into their own spaces, adding tabs can be a simple and helpful feature to use. This is especially useful when you're working on a longer document and want a cleaner way to move between different parts without crowding everything onto a single page. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to create a new tab. Once the document is open, take a moment to look at the top area of the page where the document tabs are displayed. This is where you'll manage and create additional tabs within the same document workspace. Next, click on the plus icon next to the document tabs. This is the Add Tab button, and selecting it will create a new tab for you. If you don't immediately notice it, look carefully near the tab area at the top of the document interface. The plus icon is designed to be a quick way to expand your document structure without needing to leave the page or open a separate file. As soon as you click that plus icon, Google Docs will take you to a brand new tab. This new tab opens as a blank page, ready for you to start adding content. At this point, you can begin typing, formatting, and building out that section just like you would in any other part of your document. The advantage here is that your information can stay more organized, especially if you're separating notes, chapters, drafts, or related sections. If you're using tabs to stay organized, it can help to think ahead about what each tab will contain before you start filling them in. That way, your document remains easy to navigate and more efficient to work with. You can switch between tabs as needed to review or edit different sections of your work. And that's all it takes to add tabs in Google Docs. Open your document, click the plus icon next to the document tabs, and Google Docs will create a new blank tab for you automatically. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference when you're managing more complex documents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.